In this video, we will see the process of repairing a split access database using Stellar Repair for Access software. This is the split database, which I am going to repair. This is the main interface of the software. Select the database and click Repair. The software will start the repair process. As it's a split database, you will get this message prompt about the missing database components in the back end. As mentioned here, you need to place the linked table database at the path mentioned above for successful recovery. Click OK. Check the preview of the split database and its components. To save the database, click on the Save Database option. Choose the path to save the database. A Saving Complete dialog box appears with the message, "Repaired file saved successfully." Let's check the repaired database. These are the simple steps to repair a split database using the Stellar Repair for Access software.